Hi guys, in this video I'll be reviewing the Rilastil Skincare from Italy, and this brand is hypoallergenic, clinically tested, fine metal tested and certified safe to use around the eyes. So the first product we're going to talk about is the Rilastil Aqua Cleanser, and this is a cleansing fluid with physiological pH for daily cleansing on the face. It removes impurity from the skin without disturbing the skin barrier. This cleanser is jam-packed of active ingredient because it contains high and low molecular weight of hyaluronic acid which moisturize outer and inner layer. It also contains ceramides for skin restructuring as well as omega-6 to restore the hydrolipid layer of the skin surface. As you can see, this cleanser foams up nicely, cleanses and refreshes the skin. And the next product is the Rilastil Hydrotenseur Serum, which is an anti-aging serum that penetrates quickly to target expression lines and also help restore cellular function. This serum contains 21 powerful active ingredients that helps to increase the healthy collagen and elastin production for a smoother, more toned skin. So I apply few drops on my skin and really massage it in. Don't forget your neck, and it just leaves the skin super hydrated and plump, and I just love how glowy it looks after this. And last but not least is this sunscreen right here from Rilastil Water Touch SPF 50, and this sunscreen is for all skin type, including for the most sensitive one. This sunscreen is not only ultra light, water based, oil free fluid, water resistant, but it also includes plant extract that is rich in antioxidant to reduce the skin damage as well as stimulates the synthesis of collagen to improve the skin elasticity. It blends very well on the skin, absorbs quickly onto the skin. It also gives a little bit of white cast which acts like a tone-up cream. So yeah guys, that's all for my review for the Rilastil Skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the link down below to check out Rilastil Skincare.